Most Mac users don't update Safari regularly, not because they forget, but because they don't realize how Safari actually updates. And that can quietly affect both performance and security. Let me show you the one simple way to make sure Safari is always up to date. Here's the key thing most people miss. Safari updates don't happen inside the browser. They come with macOS updates, so if your system isn't up to date, Safari problem isn't either, even if you think it is. In this video, I'll show you how to update Safari, check if you're behind, and make sure it stays updated automatically. So how can you update Safari on Mac? You just need to make sure your Mac is running the latest version of macOS. To do this, go to System Settings, General, and click Software Update. If an update is available, click Update Now. Your Mac may restart, and once it's done, Safari will be up to date. Again, Safari doesn't update through the App Store. It's updated as part of macOS. Now, how can you check the current Safari version on Mac? Open Safari, click Safari in the menu bar right next to the Apple logo, and select About Safari. Here, a small window will pop up showing your current Safari version. Okay, so you're all done. Safari is updated, and now you probably don't want to think about this again or worry about missing the next update. So how do you keep Safari up to date automatically? Just head back to the Software Updates section and turn on Automatic Updates. That way, whenever Apple releases a macOS update, Safari updates automatically in the background. Now, one quick tip before we finish. If macOS updates take forever or fail, it's often because of leftover system files or low storage. When my Mac feels sluggish before an update, I run a tool like CleanMyMac to clear out system junk and free up space. It really does help updates go more smoothly because, let's face it, it can be a real pain sometimes. You'll find a CleanMyMac link in the description if you want to check it out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.